Today see about kids daily using K letter English words following by knife. Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. Kite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Knee. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Kiwi. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Kennel. Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Kitten. Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Key. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Kettle. Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E. Kettle. Kit. Kit. K-I-D. Kit. Kitchen. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Keyboard. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Cola. Cola. K-O-A-L-A. Cola. Karate. Karate. K-A-R-A-T-E. Karate. Kick. Kick. K-I-C-K. Kick. Kiss. Kiss. K-I-S-S. Kiss. Kill. Kill. K-I-L-L. Kill. Kayak. Kayak. K-A-Y-A-K. Kayak. Ketchup. Ketchup. K-E-T-C-H-U-P. Ketchup. This is the kids daily using K letter words. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.